Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add email quick action on case feed in Salesforce. So, all you have to do first is, of course, head over to Salesforce and make sure that you're logged into your account. And from your homepage, click on the settings button found at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Open Advanced Setup. And this will redirect you to the setup page. And from here, on the search bar, we're just going to type in email dash to. Then we're just going to select Google email to case. So from here, we're just going to start by connecting an account. Just start. So from here, you can choose between Gmail or if you're going to use other email provider, and you're also going to need to add in support email address. And if you're using Gmail, make sure that you check that I agree with the terms of service. Then proceed by clicking on next. A new window will then pop up that will prompt you to sign into another Google account that is not the same with your admin Google account. And once done, you can proceed by clicking on done. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!